dance in this dojo. Oh, horse oh. Be the next logical step. Ramp. Oh, funniest throwing jump to the old party sticks. Nice. Maybe. Oh, back. Underwear drawer. Oh. Bro, love ya. Mean it. Oh. Bet she's getting hungry. Maybe we should throw her down some macaroni. Again! And one was alive. Oh. Ready for a delicious Italian lunch. Oh, getting spanked like he cut the line of the outside. To the Lions. Well, I appear to have a clear lesson plan here. Hopefully he's prepared for whatever gets thrown at him. Yeah, well, that's kind of the point. It's like I can get behind. Diaperless Sonny about to give it a go. Oh, wow. She had a widow accident. It's a great place to collect DNA evidence. The RKI looks clueless so far. She'll have to leap if she wants to move forward with the investigation. Oh! There's bone samples on the platform. Alicia used to investigating roadkill. Not. You mean Alo from the block that she shouldn't be standing next to? Oh, correct. Leading a breakaway to the big balls. Oh, off her skates. Up again. Oh, Tawny head trick. Oh, the Ice Queen. You're gonna love Mime Wipeout. Mime Wipeout. Oh, Marcel, so gnomes love their disco Friday nights. I thought this would be the next logical step. Oh! Why? Slide's also a bit of a card shark. Oh, that was quite the flop. Yeah. She's already at a top level. Just has to jump to the other side. Oh, and knocked right off her feet. Mermaid didn't need them anyway. Hope she doesn't need her face either. This is a jailbreak jump. Oh, a brutal shakedown.
Oh, that last step is a doozy.
The best therapist since Dr. Dre. Oh, the rapping therapist just got remixed. Jangalang in for a penny. Oh, in for a pounding. You are, Jill. Not a single lady through yet. Time's running out. Diner waitress. Yeah! Oh, sunny side down. The big leap. Oh, couldn't get out of his own. His only option. No! Wow, clobbered by that sweet brother Justin, who says he's been preparing sis for Wipeout her whole life. I wonder how he did that. Oh. And says she can do it. Oh! You might need to think twice about that advice. Well, that would mean he thought about it the first time. Hey, that photo got over 500 likes. Oh! Take that, you imposter. They're related-ish. How about the real story, see? She's your cousin. She's your sister. She's your mother. Oh! The contender. Oh! Family member Stacy. Oh, goodness! Wow, the keyboard confirms Stacy's true identity by inspecting her dental work. And straight ahead, fearless going in, only a thin margin for error. Oh, sliding wildly. Whoa, thrown clear, middle of the tramp. Oh, flip. So, maybe the kid gave him a dirty look. Oh, yeah. Finish platform. Oh, point of doubt. Oh, and goes for it. Oh, relationship. Oh, it's just not that ender. Love is blind. Exciting. And last chancer, Anthony. Ooh, loses a long shot. One night stand-up Jeff. Oh, that was funny. What do you call it?
The whirly-girl.
Oh, and Kevin trying to be the good kind of fat. Guy ends up saturated. Oh! Neither in a face full of that big. He's done. Oh, that's a rough one. Didn't rest. Buckle up. Oh! Wrecked by that sweeper blade. Mark needed a miracle there and didn't get it. That brutal white. Thrown at him. Oh, come on. Oh! 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 Investigation. Oh! Hopping to the fail boxes. Ow! Public squeaking. Ow! Boxes now. Oh!
That badger is worse than Sherry Prezioso. Oh, getting spanked like he cut the line in the school cafeteria.
Oh, holy stromboli.
For that hot lunch for hours. He doesn't need to hear that's gross in your mouth, okay? Yeah. Oh, and she's down.
Nobody does it better. Sergeant Smallsy's the last line of defense for this juggernaut. Look at him go. No.
Take a look. So close to winning that 500, but Sergeant Smallsy stands his ground.
Go. Mr. Twister at it again. Locked up there with diaperless.
Hang on,
Oh, is now also shoeless.
I lost the shoe.
The shoe is the diaper of the foot, John.
Oh, Mr. Into the next round.
And handles the victory with dignity.
10-footer, Johnny. It is shredding him. Oh.
Dance in this dojo.
Oh. Smallsy's appendage. I point those the other way. Oh. No problem.
Come on, Halo.
No. To the face off. Oh, off her skates. Up again. Oh, the head trick. Oh,
was John. I can't believe I just screamed like a girl. Don't. Brandy. I thought that lion was asleep. Hartman. Kayla. I didn't know my leg could do that. Thornton.
up ahead, it looks like 19-year-old John Pineda is killing it on the tongue twister.
Off the bat.
John, Samantha's not going to give up here. She's a soccer star, scores a goal almost every game, and it looks like she's doing a good job here staying on side.
Oh, ref, that was merciful. Well, no, actually, I guess we're being honest. Oh! Wow! How we wipe out in life echoes in eternity.
This 24-year-old Ashley McClure.
And what have you got exactly?
Oh!
Okay.
Ashley, you need to go up to the next level.
Wait, where I go?
Not there.
Ouch!
Wait, where I go?
Yes, there. Do that again. No, not that one.
Oh!
Just one more time. You got it.
I don't think she's getting it all, Jill. Oh!
But she is.
Fourth time's the charm. Or is it the fifth?